So you might be trying to figure out how you can use FaceTime on your iPhone. Now, this is going to be kind of a complete beginner's guide for the most part. Now, the FaceTime application comes in this type of form. So that's the application that it looks like. You can search for FaceTime if you want to, and you can go and open it up. Now, within the application itself, it's fairly basic. There's not really anything super crazy going on here. You can basically at the very top left, you have an edit button. If you want to quickly delete a bunch of different FaceTime calls at one point, you can go and kind of, edit them and delete them there. Right here, we have a create link button. So this will allow us to actually create a FaceTime link where we can actually go ahead and basically send it to other people. Whether they have an Android, Windows, and iPhone, they can join outside of the Apple ecosystem, and you can do that by copying this link and basically sending it to other people. So that is a really cool thing we have nowadays. Now, if you want to do a new FaceTime call with somebody, you can click on New FaceTime. You can go and input their phone number or their contact name that you have on your phone, and you can basically find their contact info this way. And if they are on FaceTime, you can go and click on their name and FaceTime call them that way. Now, you can see I have a bunch of different calls here. It's basically because I've made a few calls on FaceTime via this phone. So you can just go and tap on one of these right here and join a FaceTime call. So let's say this was a contact that I was wanting to talk to. I can click on it and I can basically join this FaceTime call by clicking here and clicking join. Now, this is basically what a standard FaceTime call would look like. Now, first of all, at the very top, there's a few things to keep in mind. You can mute yourself by clicking. You can go ahead and change your specific, speaker setup if you want to change it from your headphones to whatever via tapping this button. You can go ahead and then click on the mute button if you want to mute yourself. You are now having your microphone turned off, and now you have it back on. You can also turn off your video by tapping on that video icon, and you can turn your video back on like this. And if you want to share your screen, you can tap on this specific panel and you can share play via FaceTime, and you can also share your screen via FaceTime as well. That's another really cool option that we have. Now, if you want to end the FaceTime call, you can just click the X button and that will end the call. You can also tap on the display, and if you want to focus in on whoever is talking, you can basically have them come up. And that's basically that. Now, if you click on your specific panel at the very bottom, you can basically see that it'll expand it. You can also zoom in on a FaceTime call by zooming in like this. If you want to change it to the front camera or the back camera, you can tap on the bottom right corner right there, and it will switch it from the back camera or the front camera, depending on how you do it. You can also go and click on the filters button if you want to add a filter, or if you want to do something really cool, you can go and do that right down here as well. There's lots of different things you can do within FaceTime, so that's another option you have. And then what you can do is you can go and hop out by clicking here, and you can get back into that FaceTime call. And then if you want to hang up again, like I said, you can just tap here, click X, and that is pretty much it. You've basically just learned how to use FaceTime. It's really that basic. It's just like a phone call, but it's just like a video call. So if you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.